Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna bake a cake. Actually not a cake because I'm gonna make it in this because it's October, and I'm gonna make a cake because in this month it's my sister's birthday and it's my channel's birthday, so it's gonna be awesome. And I hope you can hear me because it's so far away from me. We're gonna need whipped cream. This is robot mixer, flour, egg, sugar, cacao powder, dark chocolate, the baking form, or I don't know how to call them, but we're gonna bake this, some margarine. This gonna have to not stick baking spray. It's called like this. This is how to call this. This is that I use for measuring, and I have my bowls, and I just forgot to get spoons. First of all, we need to mix the paste for the cake. We need what we need. I want to do whole stuff. First of all, I need to heat the oven to 175 Celsius. So I'm back. Now we need to mix the paste, as I told, and we need 1 egg, but I want to start with that. I'm gonna start with 20 gram flour. So I'm gonna put this right there, and now it's gonna show me like this is 0 as I just open it like this, and it's gonna say 0 like that. And I need, and it uses grams, so I just need to open this. I need 20 gram because I don't want to make a table. Baking powder, and I didn't brought a small spoon. It says coffee spoon, and this is what we use for coffee. But I need half because I made just the half of that because I don't want to make a bunch of cookie because I know we won't eat it. I don't know how to put the chocolate in it. I have this for chocolate, and we need 40 if I'm right. I'm gonna need 60 gram sugar. I need 15 gram cocoa. We need the egg, but I'm gonna put it down for that. Like that. And then we're gonna need the margarine. I think 1 will be enough. I'm gonna using this and that, and I'm gonna go to the sink to do this. Ta-da! Witchcraft. Okay, so we need to heat up this. Now it's gonna be okay. I just need the sugar. Oh, I should put it in the So that was kind of one. Let's do this. We need like 75 grams, which is alright. Can you see this? Do something. Yes. I'm gonna cut off this part because I don't want that. If I can. Let's get here. Oh, this is too. I'm gonna use you, and maybe it's a little bit too much cream, but we'll see. So I think I'm super dirty, but that's it. I hope you liked it. And as you know, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of link in the description that you should check out. My Halloween merch is out and it's limited edition. It's gonna be out until the November the 1st. And please leave some sweet comments in the comment section. And see you in the next video. Bye!